Hey, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening.
Day uno dos, day dos.
Photobomb!
Photobomb! Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. You are now watching Let's Talk with Mo, and I am your host, Miss Mo. We are here at the annual Indian Harvest Gathering that is held every year in Springfield, Massachusetts on the East Campus of Springfield College. If you would like to see what goes on at the Indian Harvest Gathering, please keep on watching. Okay, so we are going down. First of all, we are at the East Campus of Springfield College. We are outside here. As you can see, it is very, very beautiful. And so we are on the way down to what is called the Circle. It is the ceremony that's getting ready to start. We all get smudged first, meaning we get smudged with smoke that is burnt with, sage and tobacco. And there is a person that waves all of the smoke up and down the front and back of our bodies to shun away the evil spirits and all that sort of thing. So we all get smudged first before we start the ceremony. Unfortunately, I cannot record the ceremony. We just cannot do it, and it is a rule. So you will not see that part, but you will see the smudging part. Okay, let's go. And so everybody's waiting in line. Everybody's waiting in line to get smudged. Coming down here. Here we go. I'm getting in line. This is my daughter. Hey, Richie, what's going on, honey? This is my beautiful daughter, you guys. Look at her choker that she has on. It is absolutely gorgeous, as well as she is. And then check out her scarf, and check this out. This is a medicine bag. That's a medicine bag that's authentic. And so she looks gorgeous in her Indian regalia. And then that's my cousin Indrani, and that's her friend Sean. If you guys go check out my Chicago shows, and my cousin Indrani and Sean are in those shows as well. And Indrani has her Indian regalia on that, and then she has her feather, which is nice. And then check out her hair. Her hair has these, and then check
These are
this
leather
out.
wraps.
Those are leather wraps.
I mean, braid
check out
wraps.
that's a medicine bag.
Medicine
right?
bag.
And then
This is my squash.
look at that.
These are from wise women are passed down.
Beautiful.
And then Lexi's choker was my grandfather's. It's a modern one, but it's still
My uncle. Yep.
Yep.
Beautiful. And then we
And
have
then this-
Sean. Oh wait, I'm sorry.
Then the fan is made from buckskin, wolf hair, and hawk feathers.
Ooh, let's get a close up of that. Nice. Thank you. And then we have Miss Sean here. Miss Sean, yeah, authentic. Look at this. Look at this neck piece. Yeah. Cool.
Oh, you gotta get her pouch.
Oh, wait. Okay.
So the pouch can hold
Ooh.
your tobacco, your
Look at that.
plants, your rations, or anything related to herbs. If you're if you're sick or whatever, or cannabis, whatever.
Thank you, Miss Lady.
You're welcome.
Really quick with sacred. Oh, no, this way, ma'am. This way. Yep, gotta go around to the left. Always to the left.
That's my cousin getting smudged. And then you gotta walk around the circle to keep the energy going. You gotta start off on the left side and then go around like that lady is doing right there. Then you gotta walk around like that. Well, that is our chairman, Mr. Glenroy Buchanan. And there we go. He's gonna walk around. After getting smudged, you're supposed to walk around, entering the circle from the left, and then coming back around, and then you can take a seat. You keep the energy going that way. You keep it flowing. That's my mom getting smudged. That's my mom. Look. Hi. That's my daughter. Yep, there she goes. She's getting smudged.
Anybody who hasn't been smudged, you can step this way to Angel as well.
Uh-oh. She about to fall. Now it's my turn. I'm going to get smudged. My turn. And then I come to Miss Sandra, and she gives me
sacred herbs in order to make your prayers. The 4 herbs that are most important to Native Americans.
which are
Cedar, tobacco, sage, and wait, what did I just forget?
cedar, tobacco, sage.
What's the other one?
What's the other one?
Cedar, tobacco, sage.
Sage is for purity.
Right.
Tobacco is for the sky and Mother Earth. And
Cedar.
the cedar represents
No, there's
cleansing.
something else.
Okay.
But those are 3
What's
names.
the cedar, tobacco, sage, and what's the other one?
Cedar, tobacco, sage. There's a 4th one? Okay. That's all right. We'll get
I'll
it
get
later.
back to you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we are done with the ceremony. We're done with the circle. We are now going back up to the house, if you will, the establishment here. We are going to eat, fellowship, do raffles, do prizes, and yes, we're going to do that now. Okay, here we go. This, and as you know, we are at the first harvest, so hence, here is the harvest. This was all hand-picked by our crew that went out to the site to pick all of the produce. We have squash, we have corn, I believe we have potatoes, maybe some carrots, and each person will go home with harvest. It definitely 1 bag, maybe even 2, depending on how many people are here. And so yes, this is what we do every single year at the harvest gathering. And that's everybody that's here, most of the people. Some people are in the kitchen. And so let's go this way. This way I want to just show you guys the table. Yes. I want to show you guys the table that for the raffle prizes. These things are going to be raffled off today. As you can see, there are some things for the children. We have some nice jewelry pieces. Ooh, old school Jacks. Who remembers that? And we have dream catchers.
If I was gonna pick one as a color that you know what I buy, which one would I pick because of the color? Particular colors that I like. Go over there and look.
Angel! It's my man Angel. He's here every year. Angel Nighthawk. He hand makes all of his merchandise. Yes. Yes, that's right. So, yes, look at here. Look, show Lexi, show. Handmade. And as you can see on the table in back of us, Mr. Chairman. We are look at all this. Look at all this merchandise here. Look at all this. All that merchandise is handmade. Handmade. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty.
I want to show you something that exists. Oh, okay.
Angel! Good to see you again, Angel. Always a pleasure to have Angel here with his merchandise at the Indian Harvest Gathering. And I think he's doing quite well today. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's doing well today with his sales. So, yeah, this is another perk and additive. This is in addition to all of the good food and harvest that everyone goes home with. But Angel Nighthawk, he hand makes all of his merchandise. So remember that. Thank you. How you doing today? I didn't even ask you how you was doing.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay. Bye, Angel.
Bye-bye.
Check this out.
Here we go. Look at that. That is very nice. That's very nice. That? Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Now that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. His headdress and everything. This is Dog Wolf. That is Dog Wolf, the first gentleman in the black. Then this one. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty. That's pretty. All right, so yeah, I really, really love this room. So look at all of the, I don't want to knock my brains out, but look at all of the paintings on the wall. Look at that. Very nice. And then him, of course. And then you have that. I really like that. And then this is gorgeous. I don't know what it is, but I love it. And then we have this sitting area. This sitting area is so beautiful. And then we have this one, which is very nice. Very beautiful. Ooh, look at this one. Wait a minute, I gotta flip for this one. All right, my turn, I guess.
Don't go nowhere.
Mommy, here, pick a ticket, babe.
No, that's my name.
I'm picking the ticket I won. Yeah.
This one. This one.
Let me go claim my prize.
She said just one, just one.
Verified it. I'm a verifier. On Billy Mays ticket.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're honorable.
Don't you put it right
Oh,
by
look.
her door.
Look at what my baby girl got. Beautiful dream catcher. Hey, Cassandra.
Hey, don't forget it's made by Nighthawk.
That's right. Made by Angel Nighthawk. I'm waiting for him to come over here, but that is gorgeous. That's her favorite color, blue. Mr. Chairman.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
I'm glad
you.
to have presented it to Miss Alexis. She's a wonderful person. She deserves that.
You deserve that one. That's what Mr. Chairman said. Mr. Chairman said, yes, you deserve it.
Next time you come, you gotta have one of these too. So you put that you have to put cedar, sage.
All right, so we have eaten. We have eaten, and there was a lot of food here. I really didn't get a chance to show you guys all of the food, but we had stews, we had Spanish rice, stews, we got squash. Oh my goodness. We have this, the chicken soup, and we got chowder, and oh my goodness, and of course a plethora of lemonades and mint tea. This is my cousin's special recipe of the mint tea. And yeah. We're gonna start doing the raffles.
Yeah, I got to
Mother, okay. We're gonna start doing what?
Who's that? Somebody's.
Mother.
Look at here.
Mother.
I don't know who that is.
Mother.
Hi. Hi.
What we get ready to do?
We're getting ready to pull the tickets for the Native American raffle here.
Okay.
Springfield College, Camp Massasoit, Springfield, Mass.
Yes, okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Hope you win.
Yes.
Oh yeah, where's mine?
It's good too. Look. Let me come over here. This is my cousin Adriani right here. Don't be complaining to me about you when you asked me to get something. I got it.
But it was a long time ago.
It's right here. It's right here.
It was a long time ago.
But it's right here. It's right here.
Oh.
Me and you gonna share it though.
Okay, we can share it.
Mom, you watch out for your mom's stuff. How about that? You looking for a ticket.
Hey Richie. Hey. Why are you giving the stuff to me? Prizes. These are the prizes for the raffle. The raffle. Yes. Tickets are $1 and yeah, everything. Oh, these are cookies. I gotta get my Tupperware. Gotta take extra home. So hey, so just a little side note for those of you, a lot of people probably don't know. If you notice at the beginning of my introduction to the show, you will see me, my cousin Andrani from Chicago, and my cousin Gray Hawk saying photobomb, photobomb. And so yeah, and then you'll see rest in peace Hawk. He passed away, and so this is the first harvest gathering that he is not here in attendance. So we of course are here definitely honoring him as well. We honored him at our circle ceremony, and so yeah, we miss him so much. We miss him, we love him, but we know and we feel that he is definitely here at the first harvest. So yeah, just a little side note. That is Gray Hawk George May. Yeah, that's my cousin. But yeah, rest in peace, Mr. George Greyhawk May.